In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom link not working. If you've clicked a Zoom invite and nothing happens, or your email program won't open the link, don't worry. There's a quick workaround that gets you into the meeting fast, plus 2 browser-based fixes if the app won't launch. First, use the meeting ID directly. Open the invite and look closely at the Zoom link. At the very end of that link, you'll see a long string of numbers. That's the meeting ID. Select and copy just those digits. Be careful not to include any extra characters like slashes, dots, or question marks. Next, open your Zoom desktop or mobile app. On the home screen, choose Join. If you're setting up something yourself, you can create a new meeting, but for fixing a broken link, Join is what you want. Now paste the digits you copied into the meeting ID field. Double check that only numbers are there, no spaces before or after. Then click or tap Join. If Zoom prompts you for a passcode, switch back to your email invite and copy the passcode exactly as shown, then paste it into the passcode field. Avoid adding extra spaces when you paste. Even a stray space can cause a mismatch. This simple ID and passcode route bypasses a bad hyperlink and gets you connected quickly. If your issue is that the browser won't trigger the Zoom app, maybe you clicked No in the past when asked to open Zoom, use a private or incognito window to reset that prompt. Copy the original Zoom link from your invite, open a private or incognito window in your browser, paste the link, and press Enter. Private mode ignores many saved permissions and blocks, so you should see a fresh prompt asking if you want to open the Zoom app. Confirm, and the meeting should launch. Still stuck? Try a different browser. If you're failing in one, say Chrome, paste the same link into Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Different browsers handle link permissions and extensions in their own ways. Switching can bypass a stubborn setting, a misbehaving extension, or a cached block that's preventing Zoom from opening. To recap, the fastest fix is to pull the meeting ID from the link and join directly in the Zoom app, using the passcode from your invite if prompted. If the app won't launch from your browser, open the link in an incognito window, and if that doesn't work, switch to another browser. Follow these steps and you'll be in your Zoom meeting without missing a beat.